He has caught 2 outstanding catches today. Inside the team. So if any of the managers wants to come and say something about the tournament.
Yeah. I just want to thank everyone and especially for our team Delta Ports. They supported and they played very well. I didn't thought that, but they played very well. Thank you so much.
We every year we used to keep a tournament, cricket tournament, but this was a jointly tournament. We had in build 4 teams. In that 4 teams we had Delta Infra, Delta Port, Delta Tech and Worldwide Shipping. So we have taken ladies also this time. We have given equal support for them as per the other staffs, and they also played in this tournament along with other staffs. And it was fantastic, and the winner of this was Delta Ports. They, in that one great player was there who have won all the man of the match, man of the series and best bowler for the team Delta Ports. But we have shown our passion and love towards each other as a family for Group Delta, and we have supported each other. The main motive was to bring together after a lot of stress and a lot of hard work we were doing inside the port terminals. But one day to make their mind fresh and just to take them out. And with the support of these guys, even we have our team is working inside the port round the clock. But these guys had made it, today's day they have made it very lovely. So I thank everyone for them and thank press also for coming and taking a coverage for this. Besides, I thank this PPL management and the top authorities and the manager Sachin Mehta for allowing us to this ground, as the schedule was not there, as the other grounds were totally busy, and they allowed us to play at this ground. And we are all together and we are all Goans, and we want to grow up in coming futures. Thank you very much.
It is very rare, when you all the time work and then you need some relaxation. So it is a very good initiative by the Delta Group, because it should not be only work and there should not be any play life. So they have mixed it up by having this tournament. It's a Premier League. So what will happen is there will be a lot of camaraderie between each of the individuals. So they, at times when there is a big organization and if there is a big strength, they will not know each other. Playground is one thing, where, the true colors of an individual is the friendship, the camaraderie is built on a ground rather than at a work spot. Because when you come to work, you come for an 8 hours and you do your job and you go back. Whereas on the playground, you mix up your true energy, true character is revealed. So I'm very happy that, they have organize this so that better camaraderie is built among them, and this will give them better productivity also.